Derek James, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter right here in Bossier City. Folks, we are Louisiana's family-owned and operated RV store and have been for over 43 years. The 21s are on the lot, the 20s have got to go. This is a 2020 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 29 RL. 29 feet long with auto leveling. Simply hit a button one time, it's gonna rock and roll, it's gonna level itself for you, okay? 2 ACs on this bad boy as well. Power awning, outdoor speakers, tons of pass-through storage, even a dog leash. Forest River is famous for thinking about family time. As we step inside here, tons of living and kitchen area on this Cherokee fifth wheel, huge opposing slides, ceiling fan, again 2 ACs, ducted air. It's going to keep you cool in the summertime, it's going to keep you warm in the wintertime. Nice Thomas Paine dual recliners that are both heated and both have built-in massage as well. Electric fireplace will keep you warm and toasty in the wintertime. You can save on propane. Home-style full-size fridge and freezer. Your latest style in your cooktop, 3-burner cooktop. Nice size oven, microwave, tons of countertop space. And ladies and gentlemen, a huge pantry in this Cherokee fifth wheel. Tons of room for canned goods, cornbread mix, cake mix. As we walk upstairs, not your average size bathroom. A long, huge shower, porcelain toilet. Again, very important, especially in the South here, 2 ACs, queen size bed, tons of closet space in your Cherokee fifth wheel as well. Again, it's a 2020 model, Alpha Wolf Cherokee 29 RL that is basically priced to go yesterday. It's been dramatically reduced by thousands of dollars for a Bayou Outdoor red tag price of only $37,995. You can check it out online at BayouOutdoor.com or come by and see us in person. We'd love to make you a member of the Bayou Outdoor family. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter in Bossier City. Come see us.